on our way to con right now. It's raining, it's gross, but we're gonna make it work. Say hi, Paige. Hello! And Liam's driving. Hello. My brother. Yes, and Paige's brother. And we're all really excited for today, but as I said, it's raining, so we'll see what happens with shoots. And oh my gosh, there's an IDA! That's where I work! Yeah, we're going to Tim's because we're all hungry and we need caffeine. So much to do, so much to see, so what's wrong with taking the back streets? You never know if you don't go. You never shine if you don't go. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on. You think that we will split up? Hey now, we'll see. Oh, you mean at the con or here? Here, is that okay with the 100? I think here they probably will. You know, they probably will on the con.
Hello. I'm good. How are you? Thank you so much. Is it cool if I pay with 100? Thanks.
Did you hear him go, yo?
Yo.
Yo, he's like,
Get over
this
here,
car is
see this.
full
You
of
gotta
weaves.
see this guy.
Thank you. So I'm at con now with Peterson and Liam. And Paige's brother, he literally just walked in. He was like, okay, bye, and left. We're just waiting for people. All the lines are there. Allie just came, so yeah, we're just waiting. I don't have a ticket. I'll probably buy a ticket later. Apparently there's a Hisoka here. I already saw some 100% cosplayers and I took a picture really quick, but I'm literally on the hunt for the Hisoka, like on the hunt. So I finally found everyone at con. Dan, I need you here. Hello. Allie, I love Erica, and Caitlin, and Panta, and Mary, and Rye, and a lot of people. And yeah, so we're having lots of fun already. Yeah, it's raining. Of course it's raining. What else can we do? And there's a Hisoka, and I need to freaking see him. Everyone saw him but me. So if someone has... Okay, well... I need to put, like, I need data or Wi-Fi or something so I can put on my story, like, hello, searching for Hisoka. Please send him my way. So, yeah. Oh, I love you, Dan.
I love you too.
I miss Dan a lot. I miss you big much. So yeah,
I told her she'd come and hang out with me.
he lives an hour away, okay? But yeah, so I am excited for my shoots. I have to take this entire costume off to put on, not to put on another one, but like, it's hard to button these up with my nails.
Are you doing the hero suit?
Yeah, hero suit's underneath.
Sexy.
Hero suit's underneath.
Sexy.
But yeah, so that's about what's going on.
What's going on?
Look at you! So good! Y'all are so hot! How are you doing today? I'm so happy! Guys, you found my Hisoka! No! I found the Hisoka! This is the happiest she's ever been. She's cried 3 times. I think she's crying again. Oh, she's in love.
Oh my god, that's incredible.
That's what everyone's telling me. Yeah, there's like a huge... Would you agree? She's in love.
Look at him!
My other cousin just, what have you done? I think I broke her, I'm sorry.
Look.
Best pairing. Wow, what a great married couple.
Yeah,
This is not my OTP.
OTP.
When's the wedding?
OTP.
When's the wedding? I call being best man.
Okay. Well, I already married a loony. Oh no! Come back, please. So I just changed into Hero Momo. I'm here with my guru for a shoot soon. Shinny!
I hurt.
I know, I guess.
Ow! I am shredding my voice. I'm gonna lose my voice
That's
this time.
why I'm not Bakugo.
I I'm gonna lose my voice this con, not you. Oh wait, you might just sob over Hisoka.
I have to watch back that video. You guys missed it. I met Hisoka. So some amazing Sporticus gave me pizza, and it's my first food of the day, and I'm insane. We're in the middle of our shoot, but I'm eating pizza. Our facial looks amazing. You look fucking love pizza. No, you. For real. I love this pizza. It's like, I don't even know what kind of pizza. I just took the pizza. I was so happy. I was so happy. Oh my god. I yelled and like everyone, there was so many people around. Did you see that? There was so many people like standing around and they all just watched. And I'm like, I just wanted pizza. Like I was so excited, but. Look how hot my shinso be. He be so good. Look at you being angsty. You so hot.
Oh my god, Larry, that was Max!
Me and Max are kin. So it be raining. It's kind of been raining on and off all day. I had just made it to both my shoots before it started. Like my shoot just ended and then it started raining. So I'm just waiting on Paige because she's got a pass for me. And yeah, and then I think I'm gonna do hopefully another shoot in my hair custom Momo for some singles with one of my favorite photographers ever. And yeah, it's going, I mean, besides the rain and I'm hiding under an umbrella, it's going really well and I'm so happy to see the people I've been seeing. And yeah. So we're on our way to the Tim's. That's probably going to be packed to no end. We all need food or something, just anything at this point. Oh my god, you guys missed it. I got pizza from a random Sporticus cosplayer. I literally, a Sporticus cosplayer came up, asked for a photo. Lazy time. Yeah, and then came up and gave me pizza. I was so happy. Isn't he supposed to be healthy? Why is he giving you pizza? I was like, why are you holding a pizza box if you're Sporticus? But whatever. So he gave me 2 slices of pepperoni pizza. I was so happy because it was my first food of the day. So that happened. Oh, there's a Hiyakimaru. Where? Over there. Oh my god, that he does actually really good. But yeah, we're just on our way to get food. So I made it into the dealer's room and I'm with this adorable Mina who came and found me, and I got a Hisoka charm, and my friend had gifted me some Hisoka charms already, and so I'm finally in the artist alley and it's insane, it's amazing, and she's kind of leading me around because I haven't been in here. Yeah, I haven't been in here yet, so it's pretty awesome, and I've already found Hisoka stuff, and yeah. So we're leaving con now. I got a little bit wet. I just put on like half the uniforms over top. Paige is a little gray. It is. Paige is a little. Her body being washed off, but she's mostly safe. Liam, we tried to keep safe as possible.
You saved me. You sacrificed yourself for me. Thank you.
No, I was like Liam was like, I gotta get in the car, and so he had to like walk through the puddle and I'm like helping him through. So yeah, we managed into the car. It's like pouring rain. That's why everyone started flooding in, and then it was like, okay, time to go home. So we're back to Paige's and we get all the wet stuff off and I get to see Vic. And yeah, buddy. We be ready. Oh, it's recording. For con. My hair is falling a little bit, but it's also because I'm in the car and I have to sit awkwardly so it doesn't hit the back. My beautiful Lumi. Oh, so awkward. And Pagerson and Liam. And Paige was amazing and literally styled my wig last night. So she's a god. And yeah, I'm sitting really awkwardly in this vehicle because I can't sit back. So cute.
So when you see a girl and when you see a boy, you're really not sure if it's a boy or a girl because he really likes to put on. Stop laughing.
No, they're like androgynous. They're androgynous.
Yeah.
Pikachu.
So.
Yes, Leoria, that's Caitlin. Go, Caitlin, she looks hot. we're at the Hunter Center meetup. I couldn't vlog for a little bit because it was really intense. We had a panel. We had a panel and then it was just like some crazy stuff. Had to go to cosplay repair, blah blah. So we're right now at the Hunter Center meetup that my beautiful friend set up, and
Put your phone in your mouth.
oh my god, they just got engaged to us. And my kite, my beautiful kite. You know I love kites.
On your bottom, by the way, I want to know if my screen's getting wet.
The meetup is kind of coming to a close. We just had like a bit of a picnic going on.
Let's grab them when we get to another.
My wig is kind of falling. I'm really kind of sad. Yeah, I'm the cutest little alaka. But hopefully we're going to do some photos before I completely fall apart. And my amazing Lily.
It's just like I just widen a little bit. It looks really weird because I have.
She's finally getting close. She my poor baby has not gotten single photos all day. You know, and costumes start to like fall apart by the end of the day. We're kind of at that point in time. So like she's finally getting her singles and she deserves them and she looks amazing and I love her. We have some connections there. We have June and Lee, I believe, or Lai. I don't know how to pronounce it. Who came and the cutest little alka ever. Bird, my baby bird. Everyone looks amazing. Yeah. They literally changed from Killua and Aluka into Kite and Jing for us. So it's so sweet. I love them for the meetup. So it was absolutely amazing. And they proposed to us with some flowers and a ring pop. They literally like took them out. So I love them.